This video will guide you through 14 effective fixes to address the issue and regain control over your iPhone's app management. Part 1. Why can't I delete apps on my iPhone? Offloading apps or app deletion restrictions or pending updates. App Store glitch or storage space or settings access. Update iOS or screen time limitations or mobile device management MDM constraints. Incomplete download or institutional restrictions. Part 3. Can't delete apps on iPhone? 13 quick solutions to fix. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Set all settings on iPhone. Solution 3. Remove apps using Spotlight iOS 15 or newer. Solution 4. Delete iPhone apps again from settings. Solution 5. Delete apps from App Library OS 14 or higher. Solution 6. Uninstall apps via the App Store. Solution 7. Disable 3D touch sensitivity. Solution 8. Wait for the app download to complete. Solution 9. Log out of Apple ID and log back in. Solution 10. Remove pre-installed profile. Solution 11. Hard reset iPhone. Solution 12. Update iOS. Solution 13. Check restrictions before deleting apps. Part 4. Still can't delete apps on iPhone? Try the ultimate solution. It is recommended that you try to uninstall it from your computer using Mobikin Assistant for iOS. As a professional software for iOS management, it can not only help you with the management of your Apple device. Step 1. Run the program and link your iPhone to your computer. Step 2. Access all iPhone apps. Step 3. Delete apps on iPhone from your computer.